Are we done, children? The two questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't give importance to foolish people.
Yes,
Yeah, don't
ma'am.
bother about them. They are foolish, they will waste their time. You don't waste your time on with such foolish people. They prove that they are foolish by doing all these things. We don't care. It doesn't make any difference to us. Let's come to the third question. Let me show you the third question options also. Third question options are clear on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the third one, beta, and then we'll discuss the answers. Five students have already raised their hands. What about others? Let's discuss the answers quickly. Last 1 minute, beta. Now 6 participants have raised hands. We can discuss the answers very quickly. Let me go back to the paragraph. The Wangala festival for the Garo in Meghalaya, Assam and Nagaland is a post-harvest festival. The end of the agricultural year, it is popularly known as the 100 Drums Festival. During the signature dance, the leading warrior with synchronized dance steps and specific hand-head movements. Let's talk about the first one, this one. So you have to just see the first sentence carefully. The Wangla festival for the Garo in Meghalaya, Assam and Nagaland. Which one you think is the correct option, children? Tell me, A, B, C, D, which is correct? Those who have raised hands
MD.
or even others?
Ma'am, D. Ma'am,
Option
D.
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 MD.
D.
Option D is the correct.
D.
D is the correct. Why not A? Why A is wrong?
And because D1 is pointing
Yes,
out
because
particularly.
why is A wrong? You have to tell me the others. Now, if you feel D is right, then why A is wrong? If you see beta, the vowel and this article and is
Yes, ma'am.
missing. An important. It is not written an important over here. So this is wrong. R not possible.
Ma'am, answer
Not
is A is
possible.
important.
Because we are talking about festival. We are not talking about festivals. So it cannot be R. We are not talking about past tense. So was is this is wrong and the correct answer is an important.
B.
Excellent. Let's come to the second one. It is a post-harvest festival dash the end of the agricultural year. Which one is correct?
Ma'am, B.
And B is the correct
B.
answer.
Ma'am,
It
B is
celebrates
the
up to
correct
March.
one.
MB.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
B.
B is the correct answer. Excellent. The first and the third are going in present continuous tense, marking. So this is not possible. And being celebrated, again, not correct. Too good. Let's come to the third one. Leads the youngsters, is lead the youngsters, was leading the youngsters, or had leads the youngsters.
Ma'am A. Ma'am A.
Ma'am A.
Leads,
E is the right answer.
leads the
During the
youngsters.
signature dance, the leading warrior dash with synchronized dance steps and specific hand-head movements. Leading warrior leads the youngsters, is lead the youngsters, was leading the youngsters, or had leads the youngsters.
Leads the
Ma'am
youngsters.
Leads the youngsters.
Very good. The first one is correct. Absolutely correct. Excellent. So you get 3 marks out of 3 in grammar over here. Now please read this. This part you read. There is no need to go to the pictures. You will not be able to read in pictures. It's written very small. You just read this part, this paragraph. Okay, you will understand, then attempt the first 2 questions. See, this is the passage that we have. If you want, you can read this. It will be easier for you. Okay, and now we'll start answering these questions. Do the first 2, raise your hands. Okay, beta. 5 students have raised hand. Why others? Is it so difficult? Anant, very good. Arohi is also done. Nishkash. Pratyush is also done. Pranjal. Pranjal Agarwal. Pranjal Agarwal. Very good. Shreya. Shreya and Vishwansh. Beta, your exams are going to start next month. And then if you'll behave like this, then how will things be done? If you're not confident now, November you got your exams. If you're not confident now, what time is left, beta? Anyways, let's go back. Only one child is not raising a hand, and that is Vishwansh. Let's discuss, beta. I saw Supandidi standing in the field. When I dashed doing there, he was trying to win a Nobel Prize. I was confused and inquired how standing in the prize field would help him do so. He stumped me by saying that he won Nobel Prize had all been outstanding in their fields. Okay, tell me the first one. What is correct according to you?
Ma'am
Ask
C.
him what he wants. C.
C.
Excellent. When I asked him what he was trying to, very good, very good. Second answer?
D.
Ma'am
Reply
D.
that.
Replied that.
Ma'am D.
D.
Excellent. If you are asking, the other person is replying. What about the third one?
C.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am
C.
C.
Had
Ma'am
heard
C.
that people who had
Yes.
heard that people who
Absolutely
had.
correct, because if you see this sentence, it is written had all been outstanding. So here also we are going in past perfect had. So here also, which is the correct answer? The third one, had heard. See, beta, if you see the third sentence, this one, it is written one Nobel Prize had all been outstanding. Here it is has, present tense, not possible. Was, past tense, not possible. Here we had, past perfect. So here also it is had. This is past perfect. And this is did, this is simple past. So this was all based on tenses, and you got 3 out of 3 marks here also. So till now in grammar, very good. 6 out of 6 marks you have already got. Excellent, children. Now we move on to the last 4 marks of grammar for you people. Let's do the first 3. First attempt the first 3, raise your hands. Then I'll show you the fourth one, and then 10 marks of grammar are done. Till now you have already got 6 out of 6.
Ma'am, done.
Now I'm showing you the next one also so that we can discuss the answers. Do this also, beta. Do, then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Beta, I told you just raise your hands, my dear. We are waiting for Arohi and Shreya. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I have already raised my hand.
Arohi, now you have done. Earlier, Arohi and Shreya, it was not showing. Vishwansh, as it is, never raises his hands. I don't know. He's virtually present in the class or whatever.
Ma'am, she's Shruti, not Shreya. The other girl, her name is Shruti.
Beta, please join by your own names. Otherwise, next time I will not allow. I was also wondering 2 names, but then I saw surname different, so I thought maybe there are 2 students. Shruti, join by your name, beta. Yes, can we discuss now, beta? Chaliye. How many marks you already have in grammar?
6.
6. Very good. 6. And total grammar weightage in board exams is how many marks? How many marks grammar will come?
Ma'am, 10 marks.
10 marks.
10 marks. Only one child knows the distribution of marks. This is not correct. Beta, you're very soon going to sit for your pre-boards. Grammar is 10 marks. Till now, what 6 marks we did? Did anybody face any problems?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
this is the kind of question paper which will come in board exams also. So we need to know the pattern of paper, how it is going to come. Just now we attempted 3 marks for reported speech. Reported speech was that part where we had that picture where he was saying, I want to win a Nobel Prize. Just now we did that part, you remember?
Yes,
We
Yes,
did
ma'am.
ma'am.
that part.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
reported speech. That is what? Reported speech. So you have 3 marks for reported speech. Then we did the first question, which was based on tenses. That was 3 marks again. Now we'll come to questions which will be 4 marks, which will be based on subject verb concord and modals. Determiners are cut, clauses are cut, all these things are cut for your syllabus. They are all deleted. So let us discuss about the last part. You will see that most of the questions, they are based on subject verb concord and on modals. So beta, when we'll do this, we will not only discuss the answers, we will also discuss the rules. Chaliye, can we start? You were so lucky. Now you have got any 4 out of the. Please mute your audios. You have to answer any 4 of the 6. Tell me the first one. Tell me the first answer according to
C.
the
Need to.
C. Okay. Others?
B.
Please give me the answer.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Ma'am, B is the
Ma'am,
answer.
B.
And B.
B.
Ma'am, B.
B.
B. Anybody else? Anybody else has any different answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, D.
Yes,
You
tell.
might.
Huh?
You
D
might.
might. So C, B,
I
D.
might.
C, we have got 3 answers till now. C, B, D. Anybody for A? Nobody is for A. Now C, B, D. There are 3 options. How to decide which is correct? Let us do one thing. All hands down. All hands down. Okay. Pranjal, hand down. Pranjal Agarwal. Okay. Now those who feel B is the correct answer. B. Raise your hands. Let me count. B wala. Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 people, 7. Many people are feel. 8 people feel that B is the correct answer. Okay, now these 8 hands down. Those who feel C is the correct answer, raise your hands. C. 8 hands raised for B. And for C, it is only 1, that is Arish. Nobody else for C? Okay, hand down. For B, it was 8 students. For C, it is only 1. For D, raise your hands those who feel D is the correct answer. Please raise your hands those who feel D is the correct answer. Only Anant. Anybody else wants to raise hand for D? Then let me, Anant, Pranjal. Okay, 2 people. Anant and Pranjal have option D. Anyone else would like to join them? No? Now I'll tell you the answer. 8 students feel B is the correct answer. 1 child feels C is the correct answer. But Anant and Pranjal feel that D is the correct answer. And here Anant and Pranjal are correct. D is the correct answer. Very good, Anant and Pranjal. Now Anant and Pranjal will tell us why they selected D. Come on, start. Tell us, beta. What made you feel ki nahi, D is correct?
Ma'am, because there is a very weak possibility.
How do you know?
Ma'am, if he want, he can. Ma'am, because there is a compulsion.
See,
Ma'am,
this is what
there is
happens
no.
in grammar.
There is
Very good, beta. Very good. 1 chocolate for you. 2 good bachches, both of you. See, beta, you people don't read carefully. You don't take time. But jaldi karte ho. If you see very carefully in this sentence, if is used. What is used is if. If means what? Condition. करना है तो करो, नहीं करना तो मत करो. Normally when do we use if? If you want to come, you come. So when I say if you want to come, is it a compulsion? Speak out, children. When I use if, does it mean a compulsion? It does not mean a compulsion. If I say, supposing I say, do your homework if you want to. That means I'm giving you a choice, na?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no compulsion. Chaliye, let's see the options. Options may had to is a compulsion. Need to again is a compulsion. Used to is the past tense. So where we have a choice to karo ya na karo, there is a possibility. It may be weak possibility, it may be a strong possibility that we don't know. But may and might dono theek hote. May and might, why both of them are correct? Because this is a possibility. If you need, ho bhi sakta hai, nahi bhi ho sakta hai. Got the reason why might is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I will come to your,
Yes,
supposing,
ma'am.
beta, bache suno. Supposing I say, I will come to your house if it rains. If it rains, I will come to your house. So isn't it a possibility? Isn't it a possibility? I may come only if it is going to rain. This a condition is there. It is not a compulsion ki aayenge hi aayenge. I will surely come to your house. So yaad rakho beta, had to is a compulsion. He had to bend down. Matlab majburi, compulsion. We need to respect our elders. This is again a compulsion. Used to is past tense. So the correct answer is might. Too good. Chaliye. Now tell me the second one. Tell me what is correct according to you.
C.
C.
More
C.
answers?
C.
More options? Any different answer? Anybody having a different opinion? No one. Everybody agrees with C only. Now tell me why C? Which rule you are using of subject verb concord? Which rule of subject verb concord is being used here?
Ma'am, we are referring to each person in a collective way. So we will use is.
Whenever you have each and every, the verb is always singular. Please remember that rule. Wherever you use the word each and every, the verb is always singular. So we will go for what? We will go for is. Very good. You remember the rule. Come to the third one. Tell me the third one.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, B.
A, B, more people? Any other
Ma'am,
options? A and B I have already got. Any other answers? No? Let's
ma'am
go for voting.
is the
Ma'am,
answer.
we have to do C.
Okay. The third question, beta. We are doing the third question. Those who feel A is the correct answer, first raise your hands. A. 1, 2. Nishkarsh and Snehal. Nishkarsh and Snehal. 3, 4 now. Anant and Vishwansh also feel so. 5. Arohi also feels. Chale, good. 5 students feel. Nishkarsh, Snehal, Anant, Vishwansh and Arohi feel that A is the correct answer. All 5 of you hands down. Those who feel second B1 is the correct answer, please raise your hands. Nishkarsh, how can you raise hands in both the options?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, you have to select one, no? Yes, B is the
Ma'am,
correct
it was
answer. Raise your
B.
hands. B, raise your hands. B. And the entire class, 5 students are with the A option. 1 student is with B option. And what are the other students with? The rest of them? 2. They don't have any opinion only. 3, 4. Yashi, what is your opinion? Okay, 3 students go for the second option. Now let me discuss the answer. Those who gave that first is the correct answer, give reason why you selected the first option. Give me a reason.
Ma'am, we
Tell
are
me why you
comparing.
selected that.
Because
Ma'am, we are comparing that.
yes, ma'am. There is a comparison.
Comparison.
Very good.
Comparison.
Excellent. There is a comparison between 2 years. So it is which degree? Positive, comparative or superlative?
Comparative.
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 And that is why few, fewer, fewest. Had it been a superlative degree, then it would have been what? Fewest.
Fewest.
Very
Fewest.
good. So here we are having a comparative degree. So the correct answer is fewer. Now those students who gave B as the correct answer, please raise your hands, beta. Tell me the reason why you selected B. There must be a logic which must have come in your mind now. Tell.
Ma'am, same.
Same what, beta?
Ma'am, because of comparison.
Acha, because of comparison. Now tell me others. Less is also comparison. He's right. Then why did you go for fewer? Why not less, beta? Tell me all those who went for fewer. He's right. Less is also comparison. Then why not less? Tell me
Ma'am,
those who went
because
for fewer.
ma'am, because less and are little are infinite.
No. Any other
Ma'am,
logic?
uncountable.
Very good. Excellent. Uncountable. And here we are talking about whom? We are talking about volunteers. Volunteers means people. Men or women or girls or boys. Can they be counted? Yes, they can be counted, na beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, those
Yes.
who went for less, I'll tell you, less is correct. It's a comparative degree. But problem is, beta, less is used for uncountable. I have less amount of milk left. I have less water in my bottle. We don't say I have few water in my bottle. What do we say? Few or less?
Less.
Yes,
Less.
ma'am.
When we talk about
Less.
students, do we say less students or do we say few students?
Few.
Few.
Few. So got the difference
Few.
between less and few? Both of them are comparative, but because we are talking about people, so we are going to use few. We are not going to use less. I hope I'm clear. Why we did not use less?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Let's go to, tell me the answer to the next one, beta.
We.
Others?
A. A.
Again,
A
again,
and N.
Ma'am,
again
A.
difference is coming. Okay, there is again a difference in the answers. It was a historic day for the organization when an honor, yes, A is the correct option. Now, those who told me A, tell me why, beta. If you see historic also starts from H, honor is also starting from H. Then why did you use A over there and An over here?
While speaking historic, it's no vowel sound is created before, but when we speak honor, it a vowel is there.
Very good, beta. When you speak historic, the sound which comes is her. Historic. Isn't it,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Her. And when you say honor, the sound which comes is O, honor. Okay. So when it is honor, what will happen? What will be the correct thing? If it is honor, beta, then it will be
And,
what? Basically,
and
very good. I hope it's clear to everybody. Next
yes,
one,
ma'am.
last one. At this time, tomorrow, we dash up project details to ma'am. We are presenting to ho nahi sakta because we are talking about tomorrow. We shall be presenting, we have been presenting, or will have presenting. Which is correct?
Shall be.
Very good. Shall be presenting.
Ma'am,
Very
B.
good.
Shall be.
Yes, the B option is correct because we are talking about tomorrow. Excellent, beta. Let's move on to the last one, then we'll finish our grammar part today. The Komodo dragon dash follow its prey till it will eventually dies due to venomous bite. Hurry up. What is the correct answer to this last one? The
Ma'am,
Komodo
will.
dragon.
Ma'am,
Okay, she
C
says
code.
will. Could. Okay. Anybody else?
Will.
Why will? Beta,
Good.
could is the correct answer. We cannot use will over here because Komodo dragon was following, it is still following, it will always follow in future. Here we are talking about the power कि वो कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है. Capacity, not tenses. Komodo dragon follow its prey till it dies. कब तक follow करेगा prey? जब तक वो death नहीं हो जाता है. So we are talking about the power, the capacity. So it is can or could. So what is the best? It's a weak possibility. So we are not using can. We are using what? We are using could. We will not talk about will because it is not कि Komodo dragon हमेशा future में ही it will go to catch its prey. Past में भी कर रहा होगा, present में भी कर रहा होगा. So we cannot use could. Is it clear for everybody?
Yes,
Only two
ma'am.
Yes,
confused.
ma'am.
That is all. We'll keep practicing more. I think your class time is done now. It was 9:35. It's your break time, children. I've already taken
Yes,
3-4
ma'am.
minutes. Okay, bache, you can leave the meeting then. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
God bless.
ma'am.
God bless.